in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create some super high quality mockups for your clothing brand. Now, these mockups are super dope because it allows you to test designs and get real world feedback from your target audience without actually having to make the garment itself and set up photo shoots and get models and all that stuff. Now, the website I like to use is called Place It, and I've been using this website over the last several years. And if you'd like to check it out, I'll link it in the description down below and within the first pinned comment. Now, I definitely think that Place It has the best mock-up quality, like hands down, over any website I've personally used in the past. I definitely think these mock-ups look authentic and real because sometimes with mock-ups, you can definitely tell that they're fake, but these, like when I show you, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to actually create it. Like you literally can't tell that it's a mock-up. I would have to tell you that it's a mock-up for you to like realize it, right? Now, another cool thing too about Place It is that they have more than just mock-ups. They have designs, right? They have other digital assets, logos. So definitely use this website to your full advantage. I use it sometimes just to get inspiration for different designs that I want to create. So definitely use this website. It's super dope. Okay, so now I'm going to walk you through actually creating your mockup, and it's super simple, okay? So what you're going to want to do is go to mockups, go to apparel, and then it's going to give you a whole bunch of lists of different mockups that you can create based on the garment. And I'm gonna just go to hoodies, and then as you can see here, there's gonna give you like a whole bunch of different hoodies with different people. They're gonna give you holiday themed, right? There's gonna be so many, and so they categorize it on the left side by seasons, right? So Mother's Day, baseball events, 4th of July, right? And then they also categorize it by gender. So there are so many different things that you can choose from to pick, but I'm gonna search through something that I really like that I think, you know, could just showcase it, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I found this hoodie. So I think this one is dope and can really show off like how good Place It is, because I'm telling you, once I'm done creating this mock-up, like you're not gonna tell, like you can't tell that it's fake, honestly, okay? And so what you're gonna wanna do is have a PNG file ready, get the highest resolution of, you know, whatever design that you wanna use. Now, I've already uploaded one. I'm gonna just use, you know, one of my clothing brand's logo. Click boom. And then you can size it to whatever you think will make the most sense. You are gonna have to play with it a little bit, but I think that sizing looks pretty decent. And then it's going to load. It looks a little big. So let's drop it down just a little bit, move it up some. And that looks good to me. That looks solid, personally. That looks really good. And like, that took like what, a minute or two? Like, it's super simple, right? And then the awesome thing about it too is that they give you other templates to use, right? With the same model. So if you really like, you know what I'm saying, the model, then you can use different ones using them. You feel me? So they have another one with him in a hoodie, a long sleeve, him with a tote. And then they also have other people, you know, mock-ups that you can create. This one doesn't look that bad, right? Then all you have to do is download it. And then the pricing here is you can either get it for $8 to just buy the mockup itself, or you can get unlimited mockups for $7.47, right? And so it's super cheap and affordable. $7 is really good for everything that you get. So I definitely recommend that you sign up. And so that's it. So if you have any questions, make sure that you comment down below. I definitely think when I found out about this website, it was a game changer. So let me know, how do you feel about it in the comments down below. But until next time, be easy.